Hello students, welcome to the first year class of English Literature. In our first class, we will have an introduction of syllabus, what we are going to read and for how many marks. First thing, in Maharaja Ganga Singh University, English literature syllabus is divided chronologically. Means we are starting from Elizabethan and up to romantics, that becomes from 16th to 19th century we are reading in the first year, and then the next period we are reading in a higher class. In first year, English literature has two papers. First paper is of poetry and drama, and second paper is of prose and fiction. In today's class, we are discussing first paper poetry and drama, and for this, one book is recommended in your syllabus, that is Ambrosia. Our syllabus has Unit 1 starting from William Shakespeare, and 5 poems are there. One of Shakespeare, then Spenser, Marlowe, Milton, and a great Augustan poet Alexander Pope. So, first unit has 5 poems by 5 great poets of their period. Next unit is having great metaphysical poet John Donne and his poem Go and Catch a Falling Star. Then Oliver Goldsmith, Village Schoolmaster. And the great nature poet from Romantic era, we are having his poem The World is Too Much with Us. Then Hellenic poet John Keats and his poem Ode to Beauty. These are the poems in our syllabus. In unit 3rd, we are having drama by William Shakespeare, As You Like It. This poetry and drama we have to study in detail because we have to do reference to context from this portion, from poetry and from drama. In unit 4, we are having one act plays, Refund, and Anton Chekhov's Proposal. These two one act plays are there. To make syllabus more clear, to understand the poetry and drama properly, in our syllabus some literary terms are there like sonnet, elegy, lyric, simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, pun, comedy, tragedy, tragicomedy, rhyme, rhythm, and ode. These literary terms will make it easy for you to understand your syllabus. Besides this literary terms, we are reading the history. It's the history of which we are reading the poets and drama, Renaissance, Reformation, Puritan age, metaphysical movement, Restoration period, Neoclassical age, and Romanticism. These are the periods we have to read. Now tell you the evaluation scheme, how the question paper comes. Although I'll send you a question paper in PDF form in our class group, but in an introduction that how the questions will be coming. First question will be short questions will be there, 10 short questions will be there of 2 marks each. Then in section B we are having 2 parts. There will be 3 reference to context question. You have to do 2 questions, 8 marks each. Then the next portion will be having 4 questions will be there and you have to attempt 3 questions, 8 marks each. Section C will be having essay type questions, 20 marks each. 4 or 5 questions can be there from poetry, from drama, from literary history, and you have to attempt any 2. So this was the syllabus for our first year. Hope you will enjoy the contents and enjoy a new horizon, a new vista of English literature will be open to you. Not for the exam point of view, but literally you will enjoy the literature for its own sake. So hoping that our next sessions will be more full of fun and full of enjoyment for you. For the time being, thanks for joining the class.